Today, we're reviewing Stoneware Ramekins by MALACASA. These stoneware ramekins hold about 8 ounces of food. You can prepare souffles, puddings, baked vegetables, and other recipes. And they will look very lovely in these dishes. The MALACASA stoneware ramekins are attractive. The gray marble design really catches the eye. They are non-stick, and you know what? Your buffet table will be exquisite with these stoneware ramekins. Now, besides being attractive, the MALACASA stoneware ramekins are practical for the kitchen. They are oven safe and can go directly from the refrigerator to the oven. You can also use them in the microwave. The cleanup is very easy because they're dishwasher safe. Thank you for watching this product review.